Hello my dear friends, I am back again with my new video of mole concept today. Okay, so previously we were discussing about Avogadro's law. So what was Avogadro's law basically? It said that for an ideal gas at constant temperature and pressure, volume is directly proportional to the number of moles. Okay, and second statement is equal volumes of ideal gas have equal moles at same condition of temperature and pressure. Okay, now let us see some questions here. Okay, see how many grams of oxygen gas do occupy the same volume that is occupied by 10 gram sulfur trioxide at NTP. Okay, now see, temperature will be constant and volumes will be constant as well as the pressure will be constant. So mass of oxygen gas will be equal to the mass of sulfur trioxide gas. Number of moles of oxygen gas will be equal to number of moles of sulfur trioxide gas. So N equals W by mm, we all know. So from that we get that mass of sulfur trioxide by its molar mass will be equal to mass of oxygen gas by its molar mass. So which gives us 10 upon 80 is equal to W upon 32. So mass will be 4 grams. Okay. Now see, next topic that comes is stoichiometry. Okay, stoichiometry is basically measurement of reacted quantity of reactants and produced quantity of products in a balanced chemical equation. Okay, let us see an example here. See, N2 plus H2 gives us NH3. On balancing it, we get 3H2 and 2NH3. Okay, so now stoichiometric coefficients. So now number of nitrogen gas is 1. Okay, hydrogen gas is 3 and ammonia formed is 2. So ratio will be 1:2, 1:3:2. Okay, now similarly stoichiometric number of molecules. Now here 1 molecule is present of nitrogen gas, 3 molecules of hydrogen gas and 2 molecules of ammonia. Okay, similarly stoichiometric number of mass. 1 mole of nitrogen gas is present, 3 moles of hydrogen gas is present and 2 moles of ammonia are present. Okay, now similarly stoichiometric volume of gas. So see, here 1 is present, so it will be 1 liter. Here 3 are present, so it is 3 liter. Here 2 are present, so it is 2 liter. Similarly stoichiometric masses. Mass of 1 1 nitrogen atom is 14. So 2 nitrogen atoms will be 28 grams. Similarly, see, mass of 2 hydrogen atoms is 2 grams, and see there are 3 hydrogen molecules, so 3 into 2 will give us 6 gram. Similarly for ammonia, mass of 1 ammonia is 17 grams. So 2 ammonia are there, so it becomes 34 grams. Okay, now there is an important point. Chemical reaction always follow its stoichiometry. Okay, it means that all the related quantities and the produced quantities are always in the same ratio as that of the corresponding stoichiometric quantities. Okay, मतलब सारा reactants और products सेम रेशियो में मिलकर सेम बनता है, तभी वो stoichiometric कहलाता है. ठीक है. So that's all for today. Thank you.